The MDX is a premium luxury midsize SUV that is made by Acura Motors, owned by Honda Motor Company. It is one of the best SUVs in the market that is coming in the market since 2001. And now it is on the way for 2025. The Acura MDX is known for its eye-catching exterior style, luxurious and spacious interior, comfortable seating, plenty of luxurious interior features such as the latest multimedia infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, more connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and many more. And then finally, the currently available Acura MDX was launched. That is a part of the fourth generation, launched first time in the 2022 model year, and right now it continues in the market. Last year Acura MDX was carried forward for the 2024 model year without making any changes, but according to MDX's redesign and refresh chain, we hope that it will get a minor refresh for the 2025 model, and it may be that in this refresh Acura could add some new standard features. The interior of the MDX is more luxurious and feels premium because Acura has made its interior using high-quality interior materials such as French-stitched leather, open-pore wood, leather upholstery, and other premium cloths. So when you will sit inside it, you really feel that you are sitting in a premium luxury SUV. Apart from this, the Acura MDX interior has more advanced and luxurious features to give the best experience and comfort to its customers, such as tri-zone automatic climate control to control the interior temperature, heated front seats, leather upholstery, 16-way power adjustable front seat with massage function, a large touchscreen display, and the latest infotainment system to connect your smartphone to the vehicle.